Tear. Tear the lettuce by hand. Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon gently. Spread. Spread butter on the bread. Crack. Crack the egg carefully. Stir. Stir the soup slowly. Slice. Slice the tomato thinly. Mash. Mash the potatoes well. Pour. Pour the milk into the bowl. Roast. Roast the chicken evenly. Wash. Wash the vegetables first. Roll. Roll the dough gently. Toast. Toast the bread lightly. Chop. Chop the onions finely. Grate. Grate the cheese slowly. Dip. Dip the bread in sauce. Fry the eggs carefully. Boil the pasta. Whisk the eggs quickly. Taste the soup. Melt the chocolate. Sprinkle some salt. Drain the pasta well. Knead the dough firmly. Flip the pancake. Sift the flour. Blend the fruits. Bake the cake. Carve the meat carefully. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Learn English with Ask Sen for more English vocabulary and daily practice.